Assalamu alaikum. It is my honor and pleasure to present my paper at the third International Conference of Science, Engineering and Technology. My paper, Power Equality Issue and Mitigation for a Grid-Connected Renewable Energy System. In the first, my content, introduction, renewable energy system, impact of power equality, mitigation of power equality problems, power equality issues, conclusion. Introductions, distributed generation, network integrating renewable energy sources into the grid are gaining importance. Power equality is crucial as the grid's use of the renewable energy increase. And power electronics converter play a key role in connecting DG to the grid and maintaining power equality standard. The high frequency shifting of inverter can introduce harmonic, leading to power equality issue. To address this issue, custom power devices such as STATCOM, DVR, and Unified Power Equality Conditioner are used to improve power equality and compensate for disturbances. Renewable energy grid integration. The first method for the renewable energy, solar photovoltaic cells. The solar photovoltaic cells, as you shown in the figure number 2, is the first component is the photovoltaics, and the second one is inverter. The first one, photovoltaic connected to the inverter by the cable in the DC, and also the inverter convert the DC to the AC and jointed to the loads and to the grid. The power equality problem in the PV system depend on the solar intensity and the cloud covers and system components. Voltage profile and power flow in the line should be carefully considered. Supercapacitor can be used for the voltage and power mitigation, increasing PV system cost. Inverter can be used as active filter for reactive and harmonic current compensation. Multifunctional photovoltaic inverter improve reliability through UPS functionality and harmonic components. As you shown in the figure number 1, the behavior of a very sensitive inverter. We can see the sinusoidal waves, and if there is any problems or any faults occur in the system, the voltage will go to the 0. Wind energy system, various type of wind energy system. Some of wind energy system exist. Some directly connected to the grid through transformer. Power equality of transmission system is affected by each turbines. One turbine must be provided voltage and reactive power control, or voltage and reactive power controller. Frequency control and fault ride-through capability. Double-fed induction generator has efficient design for reactive power regulation and maximizing output power efficiency. Converted base system introduced harmonic distortion into the system. As shown in the figure number 4, we can see the type of wind. In the first, we can see the plates or windmills connected to the gearbox, and also there in the gearbox there is high-speed gearbox or low-speed gearbox. Connected to the first type of the wand, square gauge induction generator connected to this grid, and also the second one, wound rotor induction generator. The third type is wound rotor induction generator with controller. Also, the fourth one is induction generator or synchronous generators with control and with the converter connected to the system. There is another type or full converters system is permanent magnetic synchronous generator based the wind energy conversion system with the DC boost super and ZSI. And also we can see one turbine connected the permanent magnetic synchronous generator and also connected to the converter, and after that we connected to the grid. One turbine, the Z source inverter ZSI is a promoting solution for mitigation power equality problems, and also anti-islanding is a challenge for the grid connected system. And also there is extensive research is being carried out on production and islanding operation and control techniques. Impact power equality problems. Power equality impacts can be directly, indirect, and social. Power equality cost due to the voltage dips, wall interruptions, and harmonic exceed 150 billion in the European Union. Industrial peers over 19 of these costs, with dip and short interruption being the major contributor. Power equality cost, industrial and service sector 4% and less than 1% of their annual turnover. And we can see in the figure the cost are more than 150 billions, and also in the all sector in the industrial, service, and totals. Mitigation of power equality problem, there is two approaches, the load conditioning and line conditioning. The load conditioning ensure equipment is less sensitive to power disturbances. Line conditioning system counteract power system disturbances. Various devices and techniques are used for specific power equality problems. Custom power devices like DStatCom or DVR and unified power quality conditioning mitigate multiple power equality problems. The power equality issues, approximately 70 up 80 of power equality problems attributed of faulty connection and wiring. Power equality problems include power frequency disturbance, electromagnetic interference, transient, harmonic, and low power factors. And as you shown in the figure in the table number 1, we can see firstly power equality problems. The main power equality problems: voltage sag and swell, over and under voltage, voltage imbalance, voltage transient, voltage harmonic, and also flicker or current harmonic or interruptions. In the second column, we can see wind energy. The third one is solar energy, and both of them is renewable energy. So we can see in both columns, most of power equality problems appear in the wind and solar. But we can compare it with the conventional generation like diesel, just 3 or 4 power equality problems in the conventional. Rule of custom power devices. Custom power device embrace family of power electronics device for distribution system. Distribution STATCOM provide power factor correction, current harmonic filtering, and load balancing. DVR protects sensitive load from supply side disturbances. Unified power equality also combines series and shunt active filters for voltage and current quality improvement. STATCOM or dynamic voltage restorer can be embedded with the battery energy storage system, and also combination enhance power equality and stability. As you shown in the figure number 7, we can see the sources and we can see the pulse width modulation controller connected with the active filters controller, and also we can see the super capacitor and inverter to configuration the STATCOM. In the figure number 8, we can see the rectifier supported DC capacitor supported dynamic voltage installer. This is the load, and also this is the grid, and also connected together, and also the same thing in the figure number B. In the conclusion, power quality is crucial in a grid connected and very important for the renewable energy system. And custom power device like the STATCOM and unified power quality or the dynamic voltage restorer offer effective solution for the mitigations. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me, and thank you.